Mitsubishi is in the midst of a product offensive, with the 2024 Triton Ute to be followed by a host of metal, including potentially a new Pajero. In general, in the new version, the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport will acquire a more brutal appearance, which is expressed in the corresponding design of the bumpers and radiator grille. The latter has become more massive in size, and completely new headlights are located on either side of it. The hood line has also changed, as have the rims. There are decorative linings on the arches, emphasizing its off-road character. The next-generation Pajero Sport is described as wearing a face similar to the new Triton, including the design of the headlights, DRL, and even the front grille. Continuing to the side, the body silhouette of this car is described as being similar to an American SUV, with an upright body, large window glass, and a clear body line in the wheel arch area. A turbocharged diesel engine with 204 horsepower will be available, which will come with Super Select all-wheel drive with low lowering. The model is expected to premiere next year.